Hi, I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Today is a Cast Iron Wednesday. Cast Iron Wednesday was started by Native Tears, but a lot of other great channels participate. And so you always want to check out my Cast Iron playlist and the others Cast Iron Wednesday playlist, because you never know what they're all cooking. Today is really simple, but it's something that some of you might not know about. It's zucchini season here. These are little baby zucchinis, not to be confused with bigger zucchinis. So, thing of it is, with these, I like using these little ones with an onion, and we're gonna fry them up in a little oil with some garlic powder and make a little fry with them. And it's one of Mike's favorite veggies. He loves them when we make it like this. Really good. You want to use the smaller zucchini, less seeds, and just very sweet and tender. And I'm going to slice this up and we'll get to it. I just sliced the the ends off of them and put them to the side. The butts off to the side, and then I just try and cut them and medium thin. Try to get them uniform in size so that they fry evenly. Put them there. And onion, I just cut that in half, like so. And so we'll have our break apart the pieces and just have it ready to go. We'll throw it in a pan with a little oil and we'll get frying. And we'll just throw them into our lodge here and get them sauteing up over medium heat. I'm going to throw in a little bit of garlic for now, and then I'll add a little bit more right before the end. So you want to do these till they're tender. There's always going to be a little liquid in the pan because the zucchini will release some liquid, so that's why you don't have to use hardly any oil or fat at all, especially if you have a well-seasoned pan. You can use butter if you want the butter flavor, but to keep this on the lower fat side, I didn't need to add extra oil or anything, so that's the way I went. And you just want them till they're tender. The onions are translucent and you have some color. And I'm going to add my last dash of garlic powder here. If you use fresh garlic, be careful how much you use because it can overwhelm the more delicate flavor of the zucchini. So I just put a good sprinkle on and we give it a few more tosses, and you know what comes next. Now the other bonus to this, besides, there's tons of zucchini and they're plentiful and they're fresh right out of the garden, is that they're also low carb for all those low carbers out there. So let's give it a taste. If you don't like as much garlic, you don't have to add as much, but we like the garlic, so we add a decent amount. You can add pepper, salt. I don't do salt. We really do very little salt here, so but the garlic. That's really good. Healthy, fresh, right from the garden. You can't beat it. Good way to use up all the zucchini. And a great addition with any meal during weeknight. It's quick to make up. It doesn't take much time. And it's good for you. So it's one of our favorite ways to use up zucchini every summer, and give it a try. Quick, easy, cheap, healthy, win-win-win. Once again, check out everybody's playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday. and see what everybody else is making today. Like, subscribe, and join me next time here in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.